Hello students, myself Kukraja Rahul, and today we have to learn about the standard 9th and mathematics. So students, as per the previous lecture, we already started a chapter number 13, that is a surface area and volumes. Okay. So in a surface area and volume, we are learnt about the cuboid, and we have to see that all formulas related to the cuboid. Okay. Now in the today's session, we are seeing that formulas related to the cube, and after that we are seeing that we are seeing that example related to the cube and cuboid. Okay. So students, let's start. So first of all, I'll write here the formulas that is related to the cube. Okay. So standard 9, I'll give the heading of the standard 9, and today's topic is surface area and volumes. Okay, for the cube and cuboid. Okay, as per the previous session, we are continuing that topic of the cube and cuboid. Okay, so let's start the formulas. In the previous lecture, we are seeing that formulas for the cuboid. Now we have to see that formulas that is related to the cube. For cube, okay students, my formula first one is total surface area of cube is equal to 6L square. Okay, total surface area of cube is 6L square. Okay, so as per the we are learning the cuboid, there is a six faces of the cube and cuboid. Okay, so therefore we are multiplying 6 to the side square. Okay, in the cube we know that the area of one surface of cube, that is L square. Okay, side into side, that is side square. Now there is a 6 faces, so therefore we are seeing that total surface area of cuboid, that is 6L square. Okay, now there is a lateral surface area. Whenever we take lateral surface area, we have to take only 4 faces of the cube. As per the cuboid, also in the lateral surface area we have to take on 4 sides for the cuboid. In this also we have to take 4 sides of the cube. So for the lateral surface area, of cube, that is my 4L square. Okay, there is a 4 sides or 4 faces we have to take on, so therefore that area is 4L square. Okay, now take diagonal of the cube. Okay, diagonal of the cube. So diagonal of cube, that is in square root 3 3L. Okay, 3 into L. L is the side of the cube, and last one is length of all 12 edges of cube. Okay, length of all 12 edges of cube, that is there is a 12 edges of cube. Okay, and all the edges are equal, so that's why my length of 12 edges is 12L. Okay, now last, that is volume of cube, that is volume of cube, that is L cube. Okay, volume of cube is L cube. Okay, clear students? Please note down this formula as soon as possible. Okay. Okay, clear students? Please note down fast. Now we are moving for the example related to the cube and cuboid also. Okay, so let's start example that is related to the cube and cuboid. As per the last previous lecture, we have seen that there is a we have to find total surface area of cuboid. Okay, in the last previous lecture, we seen that total surface area of cuboid. Now, in the today's session, we see that lateral surface area of cuboid, total surface area of cube, lateral surface area of cube. Okay, all kind of the formulas that is related to the cube and cuboid, we have to see all example related to that. Okay, so let's start first example. Find the surface area of cube whose edge is 11 centimeter. Okay, find surface area of cube that edge is 11 centimeter. Okay, now here is only said that find surface area. Okay, there is no kind of any information given that is total surface area or lateral surface area. So whenever there is not kind of any kind of information given here, so we take always total surface area. Okay, so I have to find total surface area of that. Which one of that? There is a side is 11 centimeter. Okay, so for the total surface area of cube, that is my 6L square. So therefore 6 into L my 11 square, therefore 6 into 121, therefore 6 2 is 12, 1 carry, 6 1 is 6 plus 1, 726 centimeter square. Okay, there is a 726 centimeter square, that is total surface area of cube. Okay, now we are moving on the next example. Here is my next example. The dimension of cuboid are in the ratio 1:2:3. Okay, and its total surface area is 88 meters square. Dimension of cuboid, that is dimension of cuboid is L, B and H. Okay, all of the dimension L, B, H are in the ratio is 1:2:3. Okay, so for so my dimension is 1:2:3. So first one is length, so therefore I will take x. Second one is 2, that is 2x, and third one is 3, that is I will take 3x. Okay, 3x x centimeter, 2x centimeter and 3x centimeter. Why I will take centimeter? Because here total surface area is given in the 88 centimeter square. Total surface area is given in the 88 centimeter square. Okay, my total surface area is given as 88 centimeter square. Okay, so find the side of the cuboid. Find each side of the cuboid. Now when I find each side of cuboid, okay, so which one is given is a total surface area is given, so that's why I will take total surface area of cuboid. So total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, therefore total surface area is given as 88. Okay, so therefore 2 times L is x into B is 2x plus b is 2x, h into 3x plus L into x, h is 3x. Okay. So now 2 is shifted on the second side, therefore 2 is divided by 8. So therefore 2x into x, that is 2x square, plus 3 to the 6x square, plus 3 into 1, that is 3x square. So now 2 divided by 88, that is 44. Therefore 44 is equal to 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11x square. Therefore 44 divided by 11 equal to x square. 11 divided by 44, that is 4. Therefore x square equal to 4. Now square is shifted on the second side, that is square root of 4. Okay. So therefore x equal to square root of 4. Therefore value of x equal to 2. Value of x equal to 2 centimeter. Now value of x, that is 2 centimeter. So my length is already is x, therefore that is 2 centimeter. Now my breadth is 2 times of the x, that is 2 into 2, 4 centimeter. My breadth is 4 centimeter. And now height is 3 times of the x, that is 3 into 2, that is 6 centimeter. So my length, breadth and height is 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Okay students. Now we are moving on the next example. Okay. So next example is a cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter. Cubical box has each edge 10 centimeter and another cuboidal box is 12.5 centimeter long, 10 centimeter wide and 8 centimeter high. Okay. So here the two shapes are given. One in first one, that is cube, and second one is cuboid. Okay. Second one is cuboid. So cubical, for the cubical box I will write the dimension at here. There is length is 10 centimeter, and for the cuboid I will write the dimension at here. For the cuboid my length, breadth and height are, length is 12.5 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height one is 8 centimeter high. Okay. Now which box has a smaller total surface area and by how much? First question is, which box has a smaller total surface area? So which box has smaller total surface area? Okay. And second one is, which box has the larger lateral surface area? Okay. Which box has larger lateral surface area? Okay. So for this we have to solve that. Okay. So let's start. First of all I will find the total surface area for the both of the shapes. Okay. So now first of all I will take total surface area of cube. Okay. I will take total surface area of cube. So what is my total surface area of cube? My total surface area of cube, that is 6L square. Okay. So now 6L square. So therefore 6 into, that is side of the cube, that is 10 centimeter, 10 square. Therefore my answer is 6 into 100, that is 600 centimeter square. Okay. And for the cuboid, now for the cuboid TSA of cuboid, that is 2 LB plus BH plus LH is equal to 2 times L is 12.5 into B is 10 plus B is 10, H is 8 plus L is 12.5 into H is 8. Okay. So 2 into 12.5 into 10, that is my 125 plus 10 into 8, that is my 80 plus now 125 into 8. Therefore, now 125 2s are, that is my 250, and 250 after that 125 4s are, that is my 500. Therefore, 125 are, that's my 1000. Okay. So I'll take 1000, and after this one decimal point, that is my 100. Okay. So 125 into 8, that is 1000, and from the last I'll take 1 point for the, okay, from the last, because there is a 12.5 are given. Now I'll add them. 100 plus 80, 180, 180 plus 100, 180 plus 100, that is 280, 280 plus 20, sorry, 100 plus 80, 180, 180 plus 100, 280, 280 plus 20, that is 300, 300 plus 5, that is 305. Okay. So 305 into 2, that is my 610, that is my 610 centimeter square. Now for the total surface area, which one of the area is smaller than other? Which one of them smaller is than other? Okay. So 600 is smaller than 610. 600, that is for the cube, and 610 for the cuboid. Okay. So 10 centimeter, there is a difference between 10 centimeter for the cube and cuboid. So which one is a smaller total surface area for the, that is a cube? So my answer is, for first one is cube has smaller total surface area, okay, by 10 centimeter square. Okay. So one of them is done here. Okay students, now we have to move for the lateral surface area for the cube and cuboid. Okay. So let's move for the lateral surface area of cube and cuboid. Now my question is which box has a larger lateral surface area? Okay, which box has a larger lateral surface area? So first of all, I'll find the lateral surface area of both of them, that is cube and for the cuboid. So lateral surface area of cube, that is lateral surface area of cube, that is 4L square. Therefore 4 side of the square, that is given as a 10 centimeters. So I'll take 10. Okay. So I'll take 10 square. So therefore 4 into 10, that is 100. Therefore 400 centimeter square. Okay. My answer is 400 centimeter square. Now we have to move for the lateral surface area of the cuboid also. Okay. Now lateral surface area of cuboid. Okay. So the lateral surface area of cuboid, that is 2 times L plus B into H. 2 times L plus B into H. Okay. length of the cuboid, that is 12.5, breadth of the cuboid, that is 10. So therefore 12.5 plus 10 into height of the cuboid, that is 8. Okay. So therefore 2 multiplied by 12.5 plus 10, that is 22.5 into 8. Okay. Now 22.5 into 2, that is 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5, 2 2s are 4, 45, 450. Okay. 45.0 into 8. Now 45.0 into 8, that 45 2s are 90, 90 and 45 4s are, that is 180, and 45 8s are, that is 360. Okay. So my answer is 360 centimeter square. Now which box has a larger lateral surface area? So another, my answer is cube. Cube has a larger lateral surface area by the cuboid. Cube has a larger surface area, that is 400, and cuboid has a large lateral surface area, that is 360. So there is a difference between them, that is 40 centimeter square, that is difference between them. So lateral surface area of cuboid, that is more by the cuboid by 40 centimeter square. Okay. So now lateral surface area of cube is is larger by cuboid by 40 centimeter square. Okay, clear students? There is a 40 centimeter square is larger by cuboid. Okay. So now we have to move for the another example. There is a one interesting question, that is there is a 3 cube combined and made a cuboid. So find the surface area of resulting cuboid. Sorry, here is a 3 cubes. Here is a 3 cube, that is like this. 3 cubes are combined with each other with end to end. 3 cubes, each side 5 centimeter are joined end to end. So like this one. Okay. So like this one, there is a, okay, that's my mistake, this is not part of the cuboid. Okay. 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 There is a 3 cubes. There is a 3 cubes, that is each side is 5 centimeter for each one, that is 5 centimeter for the length, breadth and height. Okay. Find the resulting cuboid. Now 3 cubes are joined end to end. Okay, 3 cubes are joined end to end like this. So resulting cuboid, find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now there is a, now you see that when I see there is a cuboid formed by these 3 cube okay, like this, okay, like this one. So now when I find the total surface area of this cuboid, so I'll take 5 centimeter as the breadth, that is as given, and 5 centimeter of height as per the given, okay. But now when I take length of the cuboid, there is a whole length of these 3 cubes, that is 5 plus 5 plus 5, that is 15 centimeter. My length is taken, okay. So here we take 15 centimeter of the length of this whole cuboid we have to take, okay. Now, so as per the question, now my length, breadth and height for the cuboid, that is 15 centimeter length, breadth is 5 centimeter and height is also 5 centimeter, okay. When I join 3 cubes end to end, what is the difference between that resulting cuboid and original cube? That is, when I take 3 cube and join them end to end, my length is increased but my breadth and height is remain same, okay. So surface area of resulting cuboid, that is 2 times LB plus BH plus LH. So therefore 2 times L is 15 into 5 plus 5 into 5 plus 5 into 15, okay. So therefore 2 into 15 5 is 75, 5 5 is 25, 15 5 is 75. Now 2 into 100 plus 75, 175, 175 into 2, that is my almost 300 and 325, approx 325 is your answer. Sorry, 321, not a 320, that is a 350, that's my mistake, okay. So 350 centimeter square, that is my answer for the resulting cuboid, okay. Total surface area of the resulting cuboid, that is 350 centimeter square, okay students, clear? I hope you have to clear all these things that I will teach you in today's session, okay. For that one I will give you some example in homework, so please note down the note down the questions for the homework. So first question is that for homework, my first question is that find the lateral surface area and total surface area of cube, edge is 10 centimeter. Find total surface area and lateral surface area of cube of edge is 10 centimeter, okay. Second one is find the ratio of the total surface area and lateral surface area of cube. That's not important, so cancel out. Now we have to move the length, breadth and height of the room is 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Length, breadth and height of the room are 5 meter, 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. Okay, find the cost of whitewashing the walls of the room. Okay, find the cost of the whitewashing. Okay, whitewashing the walls of the room. Okay, at the rate of 7.5 rupees per meter square. At the rate of 7.5 rupees per meter square. Okay, students. Now in this question there is a tell you that find the cost of the whitewashing the walls. Okay, whitewashing of the walls of the room. So whenever we have to whitewash for the room, okay, whitewash the walls, so I'll take lateral surface area of cuboid in this question. Okay, so you must to remember that in this question you have to take lateral surface area of the cuboid and then multiply the area to the 7.5 and you got the answer for that. Okay, so students, I hope you have to understand all things in the today's session. So students, till then, goodbye and stay blessed. Okay.